Hi beauties, how are you doing? Hopefully you're good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, of course, we have another tutorial using Brazilian wool. And as usual, I'm going to take you step by step on how to achieve or to get this look. As I always said, your hairstyle does not need to be boring. It's better you get a hairstyle that you can style in different ways. So as I'm showing you, these are different ways you can style this protective hairstyle. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. But if you're new to this family, you're welcome. My name is Adorim Toy. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly hit the subscribe button below before you leave. Give this video a big thumbs up because if you do so, YouTube will push this video to more people. Thank you. So I used 3 packs of Brazil wool, and in the back I used 20 inches long, but you may either decide to use longer or short depending on what you like. I go ahead and I cut my wool. Here is 1 pack. Here is my hair a day after I wash, and then I'm going to start to part in the back. I have 2 mirrors help me to see back and front as well, so that's why I can make clean and neat sections. Take your time when you're parting because if you master how to part your hair, you're going to make your hairstyle look more beautiful. So take your time to part. And then I go ahead and I divide this section into 4. And then here is my wool. I make sure I put every section in on my braiding rack because I just need to tack and braid. In every section, I'll be using a total of 6 strands. 5 strands, I'm going to attach them together with my natural hair, while 1 strand, I'm going to use it to wrap. Before I start wrapping, I make sure both sides of my wools are even. I'm going to use only this 1 strand to wrap, while the rest I'm going to attach them together with my natural hair, just like this. And then I'm going to start wrapping. When you're wrapping, you don't want to wrap too tight because you don't want to cause too much tension. And when you are wrapping the first section or halfway, you may not be able to feel tension, but when you braid your entire head, you will feel tension if you tie too much. So make sure you make a little bit loose because you want to enjoy your hairstyle. So no specific amount how many times you are supposed to rub, but rub until you feel like you hold your hair well. Apply some gel on your natural hair so that it will be easier for you to tuck your natural hair. To be able to get these twists that last longer, I roll and wrap in different direction. So one direction I'm rolling, and then I'm wrapping in different directions. So these two sections, they are in different direction. Hopefully the more you watch, you'll understand what I'm talking. As you can see, the side I'm rolling is not the side I'm wrapping. And then to make this hairstyle easier, after I wrap like 5 times, I'm going to pull the wool, or I'm pulling the wool and then resize the size of twist I want, and then I keep going. And this is how I do until I finish this wool. Roll and wrap, roll and wrap. And because in the end you don't want your wool to unravel, go ahead and make sure you secure. And as you can see, this is how your twist is supposed to look. Take a tiny piece and then rub couple times before you secure. Make sure at least you secure 5 times if you're not going to band the ends, but if you're banding the ends even 3 times, it's okay. So one more time, I take 6 strands, I minus 1 strand, and then I put that strand in between, or I fold those 5 strands, and then I'll be using this 1 strand to wrap. Just a quick reminder, don't wrap too tight because you don't want to cause any tension on your scalp. You just want to enjoy your protective style. Wrap couple times. And the most important here is don't release the wool that you are wrapping. As you see, wherever I make one hand empty, I make sure my fingers, they secure or they hold this wool I'm using to wrap. Hopefully this makes sense. Because once you release the wool you're using to make twists, the entire twist, they're going to unravel or they're going to be very, very loose. That's why I will not, or I am not releasing the wool I'm using to make this fake twist until I finish the section and I secure the section. And then I make sure I get the same length, or I resize all the length, and then I secure the section. So I hope I explained enough. Let me put the music, and guys, enjoy the video.
Denim jeans, broken dreams in my pocket. Golden thing round my neck like a locket. Carve your name in my mind, cause you caught it. You caught it. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Me under the street like at the so I could show you. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you're glowing. Me under the mezzanine just so that I could show you. You're golden. Yeah, you're golden. You're golden. Yeah, you're golden. Golden. When we meet, hold my hand in the darkness. Summer heat, bodies laid on the carpet. Eye to eye, glistening. No, I saw it. I saw it. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Me under the street like at the so I could show you. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you're glowing. Me under the mezzanine just so that I could show you. You're golden.
In case you find your wool is too short and you cannot use it to secure, take your leftover, a tiny piece, and then use it to secure your section. Make sure you wrap like 5 times, 7 times to make sure it's well secured, and then tie your wool couple times. And then here I'm done with braiding, so let me go ahead and trim off all the excess wool. And guys, this is the final look for today's video. This hairstyle you can style in so many ways, and yet you can be assured that this protective hairstyle lasts up to 3 good months. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you get something. And this is how my back looks like. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share with your loved ones. You wish they know how to do this hairstyle. I love you guys and see you soon. Bye.